Model, 69-plate Vauxhall Vivaro L1 Sportive 3100 2.0, 120 PS, Turbo DS. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 89,266. MOT, the 29th of November 2024. Engine, 1997 cc DW10 Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs but the headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurising. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, air con, parking sensors, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, 9,000.